I dared my friend to eat the rest of this spicy chicken wing without no water or drink.
Wait, let me get a drink because my mouth is still on fire.
You still at that when you first ate it? Alright, you ready? You ready? No drink, no water. You have to eat the full.
Look at all that sauce though. Look at all this sauce.
LAPD.
Yeah, you can't wipe it off either.
You have to put all of that in your mouth. All of that chicken wing inside that mouth.
Sorry.
Should I? He's an LAPD detective. That's right. There were 2 undercover cops.
My mom is kind of homeless.
That drug deal.
People that think this is therapy.
Are you on fire?
You're telling me that this guy shot another.
You still have to eat the rest of it.
This guy.
Shot this guy. I was there. But if this guy is LAPD, then he's a dirty guy. Because I saw him.
People think this is therapy.
You get out those.
Oh. We just go down.
On YouTube. You're doing the speed face.
My mom is kind of homeless.
Mama!